Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix calendar alerts not working on iPhone and iOS 16 or iOS 15. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, solution 1 is enable notifications for calendar app. So tap on settings, scroll down and find calendar here. So tap on calendar, scroll down, go back, tap on notifications, tap on calendar. So guys, if this option is disabled, you need to turn all the options here. After turning on all options here, so solution 2 is set a default alert time. So tap on settings, scroll down, calendar, so tap on tap on sign all events. So time zone override, alternate calendar, turn on all options here. So after doing this, solution 3 is disable silent mode. So guys, check your iPhone ringer. if your iPhone on silent mode, so turn off your silent mode here. After doing this, and solution 4 is disable do not disturb mode. So guys, if you have enabled do not disturb mode, turn this off. So if you have enabled this do not disturb, turn this off. After turning off do not disturb, so guys, solution 5 is check date and time settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on date and time. So guys, correct your date and time first. After correcting your date and time, tap on set automatically. So after correcting your date and time, so guys, the last method is tap on general, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. So you can see guys, tap on reset all settings. It will not delete your data, it will only reset your settings default. So guys, it will 100% fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.